Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 12th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you 13 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. How many medals India bagged at the Asian Open Pickleball Championships 2024?
Answer is 5 medals. India clinched 3 gold and 2 bronze medals at the Asian Open Pickleball Championships 2024 in Vietnam. Sachin Pawar and Priyanka Chhabra led India to its first gold medal, defeating Ruben Hellberg and Chitlada Hemansi 11-9, 5-11, 11-9 in the mixed doubles intermediate 35+ category final. While in the women's doubles open category, the pair of Isha Lakhani and Pei Chun Kao bagged the gold medal with a dominating 15-7, 15-3 win against Dang Kim Nagan and Tyak K.
Question number 2. Who will lead the mains team for the 22nd Asian Team Squash Championship?
Answer is Velavan Senthilkumar. The Squash Rackets Federation of India, SRFI, has announced the Indian team, which will participate in the 22nd Asian Team Squash Championships, which will be held in Dalian, China, from 12 to 16 June 2024. The Indian mains team will be led by Velavan Senthilkumar, the 2024 Batch Open Challenger Squash Tournament winner. Ratika Seelan leads the women's team.
Question number 3. Who has been appointed as the captain of Indian women's hockey team?
Answer is Salima Tate. Salima Tate, who was recently appointed as the captain of the Indian women's hockey team for the upcoming European leg of the FIH Pro League 2023-24. Salima Tate has replaced veteran goalkeeper Savita Punia as captain. Salima was recently honoured with the Hockey India Balbir Singh Senior Award for Player of the Year 2023 in the women's category at the 6th Hockey India Annual Awards 2023.
Question number 4. Which company has unveiled India's first crowd-supported weather infrastructure?
Answer is Zomato. Deepinder Goyal, co-founder and CEO of Zomato, introduced India's pioneering crowd-supported weather infrastructure, weatherunion.com. This innovative platform marks a significant leap forward, offering real-time, localized data on crucial weather parameters such as temperature, humidity, wind speed, and rainfall, among others. With a robust network comprising over 650 on-ground weather stations, weatherunion.com is currently operational in 45 cities.
Question number 5. India's first ever accelerator program for the Farmer Producer Organization was launched in.
Answer is Bengaluru. A non-profit organization, Krishi Kalpa has launched India's first ever accelerator program for the Farmer Producer Organization in Bengaluru. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, has extended financial support for the initiative. Krishi Kalpa will transform farmer producer organizations, FPOs, into sustainable rural businesses, driving positive change in the agricultural ecosystem.
Question number 6. Which bank announced to close inoperative accounts of customers on 1st June 2024?
Answer is PNB. Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank, PNB, has announced that it will close all its customers' inactive bank accounts on 1st June 2024. Customers whose accounts have become inactive can activate their accounts by completing their KYC, Know Your Customer, by 31st May 2024. According to the PNB, those customers' accounts will be closed where there has been no transaction, deposit or withdrawal, by the customer for the past 3 years and the account balance has been zero.
Question number 7. Who has bagged the INMA Global Media Awards 2024?
Answer is OTT Play. OTT Play has bagged the gold for Best Product Iteration and silver in Best Use of an Event at INMA 2024. OTT Play has won gold, first place, in the Best Product Iteration category and silver, second place, in the category for Best Use of an Event to build a news brand. The platform's transition to an OTT aggregator, addressing the challenge of multiple subscriptions, was celebrated for its innovation.
Question number 8. Who has been elected as the chairman of the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative, IFFCO?
Answer is Dilip Sanghani. Senior BJP leader and former cabinet minister Dilip Sanghani has secured his position as the chairman of the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative, IFFCO, for the second consecutive term. This victory comes amidst a backdrop of internal party conflict as Jayesh Radia, a BJP MLA, won the election for the director of IFFCO, defeating the party's designated candidate, Bharat Patel alias Bharat Gota.
Question number 9. Who has assumed the charge as the Chief of Personnel of the Indian Navy?
Answer is Sanjay Bhalla. Vice Admiral Sanjay Bhalla, AVSM, NM assumes charge as the Chief of Personnel of the Indian Navy. He was commissioned in the Indian Navy on 1 January 1989. In a career spanning 35 years, he has held a number of specialist, staff and operational appointments, both afloat and ashore.
Question number 10. Who has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Russia?
Answer is Mikhail Mishustin. Russian President Vladimir Putin has reappointed Mikhail Mishustin as the Prime Minister of Russia, subject to approval by the lower house of parliament, the State Duma. Mikhail Vladimirovich Mishustin is a Russian politician and economist serving as the Prime Minister of Russia since 16 January 2020. He previously served as the Director of the Federal Taxation Service from 2010 to 2020.
Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director at RBI?
Answer is R. Lakshmikant Rao. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has appointed R. Lakshmikant Rao as Executive Director, effective from 10th May 2024. Rao brings over 30 years of experience at the RBI, having previously served as Chief General Manager in charge of the Department of Regulation.
Question number 12. International Nurse Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 12th May. International Nurse Day is observed globally on 12th May every year. This day is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. She was also known as Lady with the Lamp. She was the founder of modern nursing and was a British social reformer and statistician. The theme of 2024 International Nurses Day is Our Nurses, Our Future. The economic power of care.
Question number 13. Mother's Day is celebrated every year on.
Answer is second Sunday of May. Mother's Day annually falls on the second Sunday of May. This year, it is on 12th May. The first Mother's Day was celebrated by Anna Jarvis of Philadelphia in the year 1908. On 12th May 1908, she held a memorial for her late mother in the Church of Grafton, West Virginia. Within 5 years, nearly every state had observed the day, and President Woodrow Wilson of the United States declared it a national holiday in 1914. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.